And basically, it doesn't hold at all, like you can see. Okay. And so, big day. Well, big day for me. This is the first time that I have that many visitors on my blog. And it's all about a question that I answered on Stack Exchange regarding how many times can we put two pieces of Legos together before the one at the bottom just fall off, like this one. Today I got a whole bunch of questions. I think the most important one is the discrepancy between the two videos, where in one video I mentioned that 4 days plus into the test and there's 36,000 some iterations, and then the test ends with 37,112. I was estimating during the test, seeing that it was taking about 10 seconds to do an iteration. So I was calculating, every day, so many seconds per day. I was off, and I was off by a little bit, but that little bit over 10 days was a lot. Another question was, why did I use 2x3 Lego pieces? So I was thinking, what's the most basic or most recognizable Lego? So there's the 2x2, pretty standard, and the 2x4. And I figured, the ratio of the number of studs relative to the weight was too small for this one, and this one was a little bit bigger. So I'm going to take a 2x3 and do the test with that. Another question was, were those Legos used before? And how many times do you think they were used? I took those from an old kit from I think the 70s, and the idea was to make tests with old Legos, then Legos from the 90s-ish that I had here, and then brand new Legos from today. It took so long to make that test, and I don't like the rig that I want. Basically what I want to do is I want to build a new rig that's going to be much better, much faster to do the assembly. The rig that I had was doing a rotation movement, and the servos are not good for that. Here's the Legos, and see, this one was from the top. It has the holes, the screws, where the screws were. It was attached. And basically, it doesn't hold at all, like you can see. Okay. And but if I put it the other way, basically the top one underneath, it's normal Legos, and they're pretty strong, like normal Legos are, And so that's pretty much it. So thanks, guys. See you next time.